My name is David Stefano. My wife's name is Monica Stefano, and my family and I, we listed our home. Throughout the whole, journey, we ended up selling our home and purchasing this beautiful home behind me. Ruckart keeps their promise. I stand by that because throughout the whole time that we were in the step-by-step, not only did we receive emails, we received trusted conversations. And that made us feel at ease. There were times where we felt uneasy because we're home buyers trying to sell a home, trying to find a home. And throughout the process, they kept their promise. But you have to trust the process. I keep saying that because I promise you, if you just trust the process, you'll make your dreams come true. Ruckart did that for me and my family. My wife, Monica, and I are so happy that we purchased this home, and they helped us every step of the way, even down to the last minute in details, like here today. I appreciate it. This is my testimony, and I thank God for them.